Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 24th September. Welcome everyone to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 24th September in history of India and the world, which all of us must know, and we shall look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Plan well before you start the journey in every walk of life. Remember the carpenter and tailor's rule. Measure twice but cut once. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian revolutionary born on this day in 1861 is known as Mother of Indian Revolution? Who was the first Indian to unfurl Indian flag in foreign soil? Answer: Madame Bhikaji Cama. She is the first Indian who unfurled Indian flag in Stuttgart, Germany, and it was the first version of Indian flag. Question number 2. Which pact was an agreement between Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar for reservation of depressed classes in the legislature of British India government that was passed on this day in 1932? Answer: Pune Act. Question number 3. Which Bengali freedom fighter died on this day in 1932, had joined the revolutionary group headed by Surya Sen and became the first woman revolutionary to die? Answer: Pritilata Vadedar. Question number 4. Which Indian cricketer nicknamed Jimmy, born on this day in 1950, made his first century at Perth at WCA, which is the fastest and bounciest wicket, and who is described as the finest batsman in the world in the book Idols by Sunil Gavaskar? Answer: Mohinder Amarnath. Question number 5. Which Indian cricketer was commissioned into Territorial Army with honorific title of Lieutenant Colonel on this day in 2008? Answer: Kapil Dev. Question number 6. Which is the 100th airport of India that was opened in Sikkim on Himalayan mountains on this day in 2018? Answer: Pakyong Airport. It is the first greenfield airport of India that was inaugurated on this day by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Question number 7. Which is the world's first nuclear powered aircraft carrier launched on this day in 1960? Answer: USS Enterprise. Question number 8. Which American president signed the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty on this day in 1996? Answer: Bill Clinton. Question number 9. Which year on this day NASA published in Science Journal that moon mineralogy mapper of Chandrayaan-1 discovered water from the orbit of moon? Answer 2009. Question number 10. Which space probe of India entered the orbit of Mars on this day in 2014? That was launched by ISRO on 5th November 2013. Answer Mongolian. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.